Welcome back. I'm setting up my Milwaukee pack out. This is the tool case, so it fits in, goes on and off, just really nice. And what did I forget? I forgot lipstick, one of the most important tools in my Locksmith kit. What do I use the lipstick for? If my deadbolt is sticking in the door, of course you can push, pull, there's all sorts of different methods. This is the easiest. Open your door, extend the bolt, put lipstick on the end, and then close the door. Tap, tap, tap a couple times. And you can see on the strike plate where the lipstick is caught, and that's what we're going to grind down right now. And this makes it really fast and efficient to find out where our problems is. Right here on this one, it's the strike plate. Sometimes it's the wood inside, and I'm going to drill right there. And if you look at it, you can see where they've been closing this door with the bolt open. Common problem. But today's problem is the weather's changed, the door is shifted, I've tightened up the screws, tightened up the hinge, but it's sticking. So we're just going to grind that out right now. It's better using a rotary file than it is trying to grind it out by hand. Now let's try the door. Perfect. Now don't forget, you got to clean this off. You know, get the lipstick off of there. It cleans off really quick and nice. Don't leave it on there. Be neat. I owe this trick thanks to my dad, who learned it off his dad, so they taught me the lipstick trick. What was kind of funny was my grandmother worked in a very high-end perfume shop, and I said, Grandma, I need some lipstick. So she gave me some lipstick. She gave me about 3 tubes of lipstick. I don't know good lipstick from bad. So I go to a job site, and I pull out, the door was sticking, the lock was sticking. I pull out the lipstick, and I go to, put it on the end of the bolt. And the lady there goes, what are you doing? I said, well, I'm just using this lipstick to mark the bolt. She goes, oh my God, that's like $50 plus lipstick. And she says, I'll trade you. So she gave me her old lipstick, and she took my lipstick. So it was just kind of funny. I was using $50, $75 lipstick to mark my bolts until this one lady said, oh my God, what are you using? So what do I recommend? Go to Walmart, go get the $1.50 lipstick, and my favorite color is Hooker Red. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.